of the psychology department.
My name is Ms. Flint and I teach AP Psychology. So if you want to know how it is that your mind really works, come and take my class.
We're here with Ms. Ferranio, the head of the English and Humanities department.
Hi, come see us, come hang out with us.
We are currently in the math department with Mr. Jewell, and he's going to describe math at NDB.
So there are a variety of factors that decide whether a student is placed in Algebra 1, Algebra 1 honors, geometry honors, Algebra 2, even Algebra 2 honors in the 9th grade. And from that, we determine the student-to-teacher ratio and what path they're going to take as they go into 10th grade, 11th grade, 12th grade. We teach classes as high as AP Calc BC, AP Stats.
We are now in the counselor's office where we have academic, social/emotional, and college counseling. We are now at the Tiger Cage, which is our merch shop on campus. Okay, we are here in the student leadership.
I am Haley Degnan and I am ASB Vice President. Hi, I'm Nina Wall. I'm your ASB Activities Director.
Hi, I'm Bella Svalberg and I'm your Communications and Marketing Director.
And we are on ASB. We basically represent the school. We do all things activities, rallies, dances, all the fun events that go with Notre Dame. We love being on ASB for many reasons. We're able to make an impact on our community. We get to meet many new people, and it gives us like a time to connect with like young grades and everything. And yes.
And I think what makes ASB so special is how like we really like have the opportunity to bring people together and like a taste like through all the different grades. But it's just like so much fun and having like direct action on the school.
We are here with some students talking about diversity on campus.
We focus on promoting diversity around Notre Dame and making sure everybody feels they belong in NDB's community. Yeah, we have a lot of events that we do, including lots of culture shares.
Right now, we're here with community service, which is a huge part of a Notre Dame education and just giving back to the community that's given so much to us. We're currently making Halloween goodie bags with candy to donate to kids. Right now, we are at Epic Korean's food taste test, and we are going to be reviewing the different foods that they're serving.
Right now we're trying mac and cheese. We have amazing mac and cheese here, so I already know this is going to be good.
10 out of 10.
It's so good. So right now we're trying a little smoothie. These are always delicious. 9 out of 10. Yeah. A little toasty.
A little toasty. Looks like we have like
Pesto and turkey.
maybe Swiss.
Yeah. Looks really good. Cheers. What would you rate this? 10 out of 10? I agree. Alright, that's the end of the food tasting.
We're now here with the mock trial team.
I'm Cece and I am a varsity witness. Hi, I'm Brooke and I'm a varsity pretrial attorney. So mock trial is an academic team where basically you get to see what like the court is. We go to court and argue against different schools. Yeah, so it's super fun. We all speak at the same page, the same facts, and our defense goes against another team's prosecution and vice versa, and we get to discuss and act like we're real attorneys and real witnesses in a courtroom.
We're now here with the academic robotics team that builds robots and competes against other schools in the league. We are now in the Spanish department.
Bienvenidos. Welcome to the Spanish classroom.
What activities do we do in Spanish?
We do so many fun things. We, of course, we have a lot of music, a lot of food, which is very important. We do skits, we play tons of games, we do presentations, we celebrate Dia de los Muertos and other holidays.
I am now here at the campus ministry.
Hallmarks in Action Student Board, and they are instrumental in all that we do in campus ministry here at NDB. They help with masses, prayer services, really fun events like Dia de los Muertos and Blessing of the Animals.
We are now with the Mandarin department. Hi. And what sort of activities do you do during Mandarin class?
A lot of different ones. We work on reading, writing, and speaking and listening. We do a lot of group projects where you kind of collaborate with your classmates and learn how to speak and talk to each other. We also do Mandarin immersion, so we learn a lot more about the culture.
We offer French 1 through AP here, and they do fun activities such as making crepes and a bunch of food, and they just go around learning about the French culture. Room full of all our clubs at NDB. They range from NDB Art Club to our new music club, which is having a live concert, and then there's just everything from bracelets, that the Smiles for Bracelet Club, no journalism clubs, there's everything for any kind of student that wants to get in. We are now in the science department, which includes everything from physics 910 to forensics to AP Chem, and we're making this proposal do.
Are now at the Tiger TV broadcasting table, where Tiger TV is broadcasting.
Here with the visual arts, such as Art 1, which is different paintings, drawings, all of the different things. And then we have this production going on up there, which is where kids get to learn everything from editing. We are now in the sculpture lab, and as you can see, students are hard at work making different creations out of ceramic and wool. We range from Sculpture 1 to AP Art History.